I list everything that I can throughout my day. I list video ideas, I list things I remember that I need to buy, nuanced things that I might need to get done. Sometimes I even list the things that I want to tell my mother the next time I see her. I do that because every thought that you try to remember later on takes up mental energy, and we only have so much of that throughout the day. Today, we live in a world of overstimulation, overinformation. So on top of this stimulation, if we also try to remember every thought that we have and save it for later, we would go insane. Not really, but that insanity would look something like stress, anxiety, overwhelm, and just feeling burnt out from all the mental load. We want to release as much of that mental pressure as we can. And that is where lists come in. They are our brain's best friend. They are a reliever of stress because you can put that information down on paper or on digital notes. So you have that information to come back to, and then you can release it from your mind knowing that you can come back to it later on when you need it, so your brain doesn't cling to it and saves that mental energy for more important things in your life, like connecting with people or working on your goals. Another thing that we experience daily is decision fatigue. Every choice that you make chips away at your willpower. So offloading tiny decisions like what to do, what to buy onto a list frees up bandwidth for bigger picture thinking and creativity. And this is not a tedious activity. This is not something you even need to think about. When you get an idea, instead of thinking like, oh, I need to remember this for later, just quickly put it in your notes and then forget about it, release it. We all know that our phone is like our third arm and we always have it on us, we always have it in our pocket. It's so easily accessible. So why not use it to help your brain? The Notes app on my iPhone is one of my most used apps. I have it on the first page of my home screen. And the reason this method is so effective, not only does it help you release mental pressure, but when the time comes to buy those things, or you have some free time to get random things done, all you have to do is open your notes and you can get started straight away. You don't need to think about, plan, because it's all there in front of you. I love doing this for things to buy. Whenever I see that we are missing something in the house, we do a lot of our shopping online. So whenever I see there is something missing in the house or something broke, and I have that list there on my notes, I can quickly just go and buy everything. But when I don't do this and it is my time to buy everything that I need, I will forget things, and then I will have to waste my time to go back to buy the things that I forgot. Oh, and I forgot another thing. It takes a lot of time. This way, frees up your time, frees up your mental energy. It's a no-brainer. I'm sure most of us already do this and we already use our notes, but try to see what other way you can use lists and notes to free up your mental energy. When we wake up in the morning, we have 100% of our energy, and that goes down as the day goes on. We want to keep as much of that energy for important things and not for these little things that should not be taking up so much of our mental energy. Way back in the past, this would have been a silly, funny little thing to do, but now I feel like it's important because of how crazy busy our lives are and how much stimulation we're getting, how many thoughts and decisions we have to make throughout the day. Anything we can do to help with that can actually get rid of some of that overwhelm and burnt out feeling that a lot of us are experiencing. Let me know how else you use your notes. I would love to hear more ideas. And if you want more tips like this, you can subscribe to my channel.